If you haven't seen a video of this beautiful gown or this one, please check out my channel. You're going to see this beautiful gown. So in this video, we're going to be fixing these pearls, or showing you guys how I made this pearl myself with this pearl fixing machine or pearl machine. And without wasting so much time, let's get straight into the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do wait to hit on the subscribe button, and I will see you at the end of the video. So I recently got this pearl machine. So this is the new addition to my business. The new addition. So we're going to take out this, and then we're going to go ahead and set. I don't even know which one to use or which one I'm going to. So this is what it came with. It came with these pearls. It's a combination of off-white and white. In fact, this one is not even white. I don't know what is this, or should I say milky color, off-white and then white. And then it came with this pin to attach it, and also with the extra pearl setting, but what's it called? So if you want to attach the tiny one, you just change this to a smaller one, I believe so. So, and then bear machine. Is there another thing? Okay, this picker that you're going to use to pick to pick your pearls. I wish I have this kind of patience to be picking this thing. I beg. Let me use my hands. Is this the big one? If I want to do with the small one, maybe I'll use this. I think it works better and that way. So I'll just pick up my pearls. I don't know if I'll be using, I think I'll be using, so I'm going to show you guys how to attach this. Once I'm done, close it up. This is so cute. So guys, we're going to go ahead and attach the pearls. So the reason why I iron this first before this is because if you put your pearls, you're going to find it difficult to iron down your neckline. So guys, you pick up this small pin. I don't know what it's called. Okay, so you guys can see it here, right? You can see it well now. So you pick it up. You're going to go ahead and put it from the under. So this place is closed, and this place is the one that has the shuku part, the pin part. So you're going to place the bum here, that closed place. You're going to place it into this place, and then you're going to put it under your clothes where you want to attach your pearls. Then you pick up your pearl. Sorry that I'm taking too long. So once you pick it up, you place it under here. So guys, you put it under where you want to attach your pearls, and then you take your pearl. Remember, we've already added the pin, so you place it on top of that place. I hope you guys can see. Let's bring this down a bit so that we'll see it better. So you put it, the pin is inside here already, right? So you put your clothes over it, and then put the pearl. Make sure it's on top of that place that your pin is, and then you hold on to this red part, and then you press. Once you press it, you release. This is what we have. It is so beautiful. So let's turn it. See the pin is holding the pearl. See, so beautiful. So that's exactly how you continue if you want to continue. So you pick up your pin. Make sure that the closed part of the pin, the bum part, is under this place. Then you place it under your clothes, and then you pick up one of your pearls, place it on top of where you have that, on top of that place, and then you press. I'm just trying to make sure I am in the camera, in the frame, and also not placing this where I'm not supposed to place. So you press. So once you press, you see. So I'm going to continue this all around, or as much as I can, to where my I can do. So this is what we have. So I'm going to continue. You can see what we have here.